So if you have been scammed on PayPal and want a refund, here's how to start the process. So first log into your PayPal account, and canceling a payment directly isn't usually possible, especially if it's already gone through. So you need to go to the activity tab and click on the transaction you want to report. Alright. So go to the activity tab and tap on the transaction you want to report. Then try contacting the seller first. Their details will be there. If the seller won't cooperate, open the dispute section and head to PayPal's resolution center. This is their resolution centers where you can find all the disputes. Now, you will know the reason like item not received or damaged or something like that. Or you can choose not as described. Now, if things are resolved in 20 days, escalate the dispute to a claim. Right? First, you should do a dispute, then offer for a claim. Then PayPal steps in to investigate, and you will usually get your money back. You can check your dispute status anytime from the resolution center. Just stay within the time frame and PayPal will guide the rest.